Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Charlie. We have T behind the camera. As always, you mostly get one of us when we do these room tours, but if you want to see more of T, she's kind of the star of the whole show, then you know what to do. Check out our channel, you'll see loads of T and you'll see what I'm talking about. But anyway, we are here in London City, Hampton by Hilton, or the Hampton by Hilton London City, whatever way around you want that. But we're going to show you around as always, let you see what you get for your money. Give you a good tour. So, I don't know what that click was all about. Give you a good tour of the room. We'll always start with the door, the locking mechanism. T will always tell you it's very important. So we have the lock here and the lock here. So that one's going to lock it quite well, but also you've got that one there to block it. Straight away, as soon as you come in, and we might as well talk about it because sometimes we miss it, you have the aircon unit. Degrees Celsius. We've just turned up, so we haven't played around with that, so you can get Fahrenheit and all that good stuff. One thing we have played around with is trying to turn it off so that we don't hear the noise during the video, but we haven't managed that, so you're probably hearing some aircon noise. So I apologise for that, but the aircon's good, that's all we'll say. Coming into the walkway, I'm just going to, again, there's a couple of things here at the start which I need to share. So you've actually got your ironing board here. Iron not yet to be seen, but I'm sure we'll find out. Coat hanger space, which is obviously instead of a standard wardrobe. You then have plenty of space for bags. If you watch our room tours, if you watch our travel vlogs, all of that stuff, then you know we carry a lot of bags usually and we fit them all in nicely there. So that's in the walkway, made a lot of the space. I don't know if this is a hanger as well, potentially. Yeah, T's saying this is a hanger.
Looks like a coat hanger.
Coat hanger potentially, if not, it still just looks good. Before we come into the room, we go in the bathroom, which is behind here. Let's go. It's quite a heavy door. Feels quite sturdy. It's shaking it, maybe not so much. Come in, it's nice and clean, nice and fresh. We've stayed in the Hampton by Hilton in Old Street, which isn't far, and it's very similar. Very similar in terms of new, fresh and all of that. So I think you get a good standard in general with Hampton by Hilton, but I haven't stayed in many others, have we? What we know of. So, very bright, nice circle mirror, nice sink. There she is, star of the show. And then we have nice mirror, mirror? This is not a mirror, of course. We have a nice sink, interesting shape. It's almost like someone's garden pool, I don't know, but interesting shape there. You then have your toilet, not too much to say of that, obviously where everyone does their business. Got a nice picture to look at, or not look at, depending on what business you're doing and who you are. There we go. And then we have a shower. This looks really nice. This looks good. So, we let T come through. Would you like to come through and show it before I climb it?
Bit of a tight squeeze.
It is a tight squeeze. Please, T's hitting herself on the door. So this is the shower. Like you say, really big tiling, looks really nice. But it's probably coming across on the camera, but if it's not, very clean, very fresh, very modern. There's a bin there that I keep stepping on. In all things TNC style for a room tour. Of course, we're going to test the shower out, show you what it's like.
You hear that vent sound?
Yeah, it's very
it's
loud.
It's like a whirlwind.
Can't do much about that, I'm afraid. But I was trying to look for the tap, but it's here. Look, this is it's almost built for a room tour shower turn on because I don't have. Normally, we have to go under the shower and get wet. I'm hoping we won't get wet. Let's give this a go. Okay, very clear. So if I do it that way. And that way, there you have that one. Yeah, it's all good. Very nice shower. Water pressure looks good. Like I say, very clean, very modern. Just what you need, I think, if you're having a city break.
This light is nice.
T's carrying us back to the mirror. The mirror is very nice. I just think it all works, right? Like, I feel like this is kind of like if you had an apartment that looked like this, it would be quite cool, right?
Look how good you look.
That wasn't me saying I was looking good, I was just trying to see what T was saying. Obviously she's biased, we know she's biased, she's always going to say that. T and mum, always going to say these things. Right, anyway, nice lovely big mirror, very big mirror. It's perfectly placed as well, so just before you go out, you can check, just see if your other half is telling you the truth. Next, so here we have coffee machine. I mean, it's a nice touch coffee machine.
That's a kettle.
I call it a coffee machine. For most of you, this is a kettle. So we have a kettle where you can make some coffee or some tea. It looks a little bit sorry for itself, but I guess, you know, it's a nice touch, I guess. Here we have, oh, hairdryer in here. Safe in here, which is pretty good. Very big as well. It looks like you could fit multiple laptops, all that good stuff in there. Down here we have our iron, and we have our fridge. Plenty of space in the fridge. Fill it up with all sorts of... We're big fans of empty fridges because when you fill it up with loads of alcohol and all the stuff in your room, then it's always crazy prices. When it's an empty fridge, you can go and put what you want in it, so it's great. Now this looks very nice to me. It looks cosy. It's a little bit small. I don't know how it comes across on the camera when we show you, but it's very nice and cozy. It works. They've done a lot with the space, I think. So behind us, obviously we have all these pictures. I'm really jealous of pictures like this because when they're done right, they look really cool, but if I was to try and do that myself, it just wouldn't work. You know that when it's done wrong, it just looks like all jumbled all over the place. Pictures look really nice, looks like cozy, but like I say, with the lighting along here, it's just warm. It's a little bit small, so if you stay in here for 2, 3 nights, 4 nights, I think it would work. If you stayed here a little bit longer, it might be a little small and it might be a little bit dark, in all honesty. Not as small as Citizen M, I have to say that, but it is a little bit small. T's favourite part of any hotel room. We don't know why, but we always mention it. The desk space, there is a little area to work, and we have a pretty huge TV. Pretty huge TV, looks very nice. And I don't know what we've got out here. We don't have any view at all. But you are in London, we are on a relatively low floor, so...
We're on the ground floor.
We're on the ground floor. Doesn't get much up. But that's a good point though. In fairness, when we've looked and we've stayed in a lot of hotels around this area, be careful because a lot of hotels, they'll seem nice and cheap. When you go through to book, their basic room is underground and they don't have windows. It's something to be aware of because not having a window can be a little bit, I don't know, claustrophobic. We do have lots of plug sockets either side, which is really good. USB as well. So the standard plug and the USB. So that's all really good. The bed looks...
Sorry, there's another mirror as well.
T's distracted. You'd like to show everyone the mirror? We show the mirror. There we go. I was going to say like a magpie. Is it magpies where if they see something shiny they're there? There she is. Anyway, not a lot to show with this room. We've run around it really quite quickly, but to be honest, we just want to give you a good feel. Sure, I'm pretty sure you want to just see it as quick as you can. Not a huge amount of space, but done very nicely, I think is what we'd say. It leaves one thing and one thing only. What are we doing, T?
Jumping on the bed. I think you need to do it this side because you have more of a run up.
Yeah? Oh, I'm running up onto this bed. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, we always test out the bed, not in that kind of way, it's not that kind of channel, but by jumping on it. So, we're going to spin round, I'm going to jump on the bed, and we're going to let you know what it's like. I'm feeling a little nervous about this, it looks a little bit firm. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh no!
That was a very hesitant jump.
That was one of my most hesitant jumps, to be honest. Just so you know, now I know it's safe. Normally I just go for it.
That was still...
That's it. You know what it is? It's not a huge amount of space, but that's a comfortable bed. It was nice. I really thought I was going to really smack it, but it's nice, it works. Pillows, so soft, as always. Yeah. The pillow works. Nice comfy pillows. I think you'll get a good night's sleep. I think it's going to be nice and dark as well, and it doesn't sound like there's going to be a lot of noise, so a lot of ticks everywhere. Just a little bit small, and I would say a little bit dark, which probably comes across in the camera. But, there you go. Hopefully you found this useful. Hopefully we've shown you everything you need to see, but this is Hampton by Hilton London City. Like we say, we've stayed in the Old Street one. It's very similar. I think we'd both actually say Old Street layout was slightly nicer. If we can get around to Old Street and do a room tour, then we will do. But overall, for the price point and where it is located, I think it's great. We get breakfast included in the room, which I think is standard as well, which doesn't happen very much. Overall, very nice. But that's it from us. If you like this video, if you want to see any more of me, I don't know, but mostly of T, like I said,
Of us.
she's usually in a lot more videos. If you want to see the both of us, we come as a pair, we're a lot more fun together, then check out the channel. We've just come back from Southeast Asia, all sorts of travelling stuff going on. Now we're back, we're getting up to all sorts. So if you want to see more of what we get up to, then check out the channel. But for now, that's it from us. We will see you in the next one.